Hi, this is Danish. Please like and subscribe my channel. And today I will discuss about the additional form, family of form, how to fill it. So it's also called IMM 5406E. So I have already filled that form, and I can show you that how you can fill it. So if you read this statement, so it will be easy for you to understand. So what I have to do, we have to fill this form, and then later we have to sign this document and upload. Okay, so here I have written my name and my in my native language I have written this, and this is the problem that the people don't understand how to write this. So it's pretty easy, just you can Google it. I can show you. See, I open it and I will write my name, and you can see it will automatically change. Oh, see, just what you have to do, click here and then copy. Once it's copied, then we have to go back the form we are filling it. So I can write here and the paste, so you can see it has written. And now I can write my like suppose I write my name here, Tanesh. Then put some space and then Control V, paste there. So it has written. So it's pretty easy. It's not quite difficult, and it's also written that you have to write your native language. So it is must. You have to write this, and that area, like, you can click here and select your date of birth, and here you can write the country name, and here you can address the complete address, and here you can write the email address, like right. Okay, this form submitted by the principal applicant and also the spouse, and any children above 18 also submit this form. Okay, now I'm going to scroll down. Okay, one thing I can tell you that this is the status. Okay, so if you are divorced or legally separate, married, or not applicable, deceased, so you have to write it. Like my mother and father passed away, so I just mention not applicable and deceased. For add, once the person is deceased, so you just write here only the city name, country name, and deceased date you have to mention here. Okay, and nothing else. So this column is section B for the children. You can write every children here, same as you have mentioned above. And the C section is your brother and sister. Okay, so you can write their name and like date of birth and their addresses. So you can write same as above. Don't forget to write in your native language, So like I have mentioned here, like Danish Asin, and here is Danish Asin in my native language. So fill that there. After that, suppose like my brother and sister more than 3, so I need, of course, more page, but you don't have a more page. So what you have to do, like I will show you. Now you can see that I write my name here, and there is a form, additional family information form, and write the section C brother and sisters. Then you have to write the name, relationship, date of birth, present address, and email address, like same as in the form. Okay, so you have to additional. This is for like not for the only section C. It's also be you can add in like section BB as well if you have a more person. Or and this one, as I told you before, that it can submitted by both principal applicant, spouse, and any children above 18. So hope you understand. And in the last you will see you have to sign and date. So you have to print out this document, sign it, and then upload it. Hope you understand. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.